Imagine the crackle of golden tempura prawns as they hit hot oil, the delicate aroma of steamed sushi rice, and the satisfying roll of seaweed wrapping everything together. Today we're making Sushi Prawn Tempura, a dish that combines the light, crispy perfection of Japanese tempura with the elegance of sushi rolls. It's a recipe that brings together texture, flavor, and artistry. Golden, crunchy prawns, soft seasoned rice, and fresh vegetables all wrapped in nori sheets, cut into neat slices that look as good as they taste. This recipe serves 4 people. Let's get started. For the sushi rice you'll need 400 grams of sushi rice, short grain, 500 milliliters of cold water, 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the tempura prawns, 12 large raw prawns, peeled and deveined, tails left on, 100 grams of plain flour for dusting, 100 grams of plain flour for batter, 100 grams of cornflour, also known as cornstarch, 200 milliliters of ice-cold sparkling water, 1 egg yolk, and sunflower oil for deep frying. For the sushi roll, 4 nori sheets, 1 cucumber cut into thin matchsticks, 1 ripe avocado sliced, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, soy sauce for dipping, pickled ginger to serve, and wasabi paste, optional. Sushi rice is the foundation of any good roll. Wash the rice in cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and prevents the rice from becoming gluey. Place the rinsed rice into a saucepan with 500 milliliters of cold water. Cover and bring to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to the lowest setting and cook for 10 minutes. Switch off the heat and leave covered for another 10 minutes, letting the rice steam gently. Meanwhile, mix the rice vinegar, sugar, and salt in a small bowl until dissolved. Transfer the cooked rice into a wide, shallow dish. While the rice is still hot, drizzle the vinegar mixture over it. Gently fold with a wooden spoon or paddle, using slicing motions, not stirring, until every grain is coated and glossy. Leave to cool to room temperature. Take your peeled and deveined prawns, leaving the tails intact. Make 3 to 4 shallow slits along the belly of each prawn. Press gently to straighten them. This prevents curling when frying and keeps them long for the sushi roll. Pat them dry with paper towels. Dust the prawns lightly with plain flour. This helps the tempura batter stick. In a bowl, mix 100 grams of plain flour with 100 grams of cornflour. Add 1 egg yolk and 200 milliliters of ice-cold sparkling water. Stir very gently with chopsticks, just until combined. The batter should be lumpy and thin. Don't overmix or the tempura will turn heavy instead of light. Heat sunflower oil in a deep pan to 180 degrees Celsius. Dip each prawn into the batter, coating it lightly, then slide it gently into the hot oil. Fry in batches of 3 to 4, turning once until golden and crisp, about 2 minutes per side. Lift out with a slotted spoon and drain on a wire rack or kitchen paper. Keep them warm while you prepare the rolls. Place a bamboo sushi mat on your counter, covered with cling film to stop sticking. Lay a nori sheet, shiny side down. With wet hands, spread a thin layer of cooled sushi rice across 2/3 of the nori. Leave the top edge bare to help seal the roll. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds. Place 2 to 3 tempura prawns along the center, with cucumber matchsticks and avocado slices beside them. Lift the mat edge closest to you and roll it tightly over the filling, pressing gently as you go. Continue rolling until sealed. Dip a finger in water and run it along the bare nori edge to stick. Using a sharp knife dipped in water, slice the roll into even pieces. Wipe the knife after each cut for clean edges. Each roll makes 6 to 8 pieces. Repeat with remaining prawns and fillings until you have 4 rolls. Arrange the sushi rolls neatly on a plate. Serve with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi on the side. The crunch of the tempura, the softness of the rice, and the freshness of the vegetables make every bite a perfect balance. And that is Sushi Prawn Tempura for 4 people. A dish that looks impressive, tastes incredible, and captures the essence of Japanese cuisine. Crisp prawns, seasoned rice, creamy avocado, and the satisfaction of rolling it all by hand. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just yourself, this recipe brings restaurant quality sushi into your own kitchen.